Hey guys, what's up? It's Giuseppe. Thank you so much for joining me. This is Giuseppe Builds. We've had a couple name changes and whatever. I'm trying to figure it out. We're making it happen. Look, if you've been paying attention, I've been talking a lot about how to save credits, but also a lot about just like general productivity, making things happen. My last video about the octopus theory, or the octopus fallacy as I'm calling it, was pretty much just talking about how the octopus, every time it gives birth to a clutch of eggs, it doesn't live long enough to pass on the trends and the lessons that it gained, even though the octopus is this incredibly intelligent, beast, just weapon of the deep sea. Like, so it changes colors. It could unscrew like, if you know octopi, then you know. If you know, you know. But look, that's why I'm calling it. I mean, there's sure just other trendy things, and I want to lean into some JJK stuff because there's a cool octopus guy in there too. Season 2 Shibuya. But look, this is, I'm gonna do a couple quick videos today because I do want to bang this out for you guys, but this is just gonna be quick and dirty. If you're new here, please hit the like and subscribe button because I'm here to make sure that you make as much money as possible and that your time is respected. The thing I want to talk about is that it's the wrap up, okay? The reason the octopus doesn't run the world, as far as I could tell, is because it doesn't pass along information. It's not teaching its kids to read and write. It's not teaching it the lessons it learned. It passes before it's available. And we should all be very grateful, I think, of that too, right? Because like that's a thing, man. Those things are wicked smart. So what I've done now is I've created sort of a setup of agents. And if you comment, give me the octopus agent, or give me the agent setup, or the mastermind setup, I will link it to you below. Sign up for it. I'll send it to you for free immediately. But look, so I'm going to show you, there's a couple things that I found out that have taken my Claude Code to this like next level of productivity. And this theory behind it is the main theory. Okay. So I want to just talk about what I've done here, and I'm going to show you what it does. So what to watch over the next 2 to 4 weeks, right? So all done. Here's what went out today. Boom, kitchen remodel blog, general contracting, tenant improvements, bathroom remodels. It's doing all of this work because it's also linked to GSC as well, which we did automatically. I have another video. I'm trying to link it up here too for you as well. I'm probably going to be redoing it again because I've learned some more things and made it even better. But look, all this has happened. And now the thing is, if we close this out and we want to come back to this in the future, we might have a problem with that, right? Because we're going to have to come in and we're going to say, hey, we want to jump in. I want to have a look at, I want to work on this client again. And then it's going to have to go through, you're going to have to tell it what to look for. It's going to have to go through, it's going to have to read all the blogs, read all of your research, do everything. But instead, what I've done now is what came out actually a long time ago now, a while ago. It's called a proactive agent. Okay, so I'm just going to say, let's wrap it up, or let's call it a day, or let's close this out. And when it gets that notice that to wrap it up, that we're closing out of this project, it's now pulled up time tracking. So what I've set it up to do was it has my hourly rate, and it's putting together, when I open a client, it takes the time is command, so it knows the actual time in the moment. It's not guessing. And then when I close out, it takes another one. And almost every time I run a command, it takes the time is and it just logs it. Because when you have a lot of clients, you have to charge for your time, and you have to be very specific. You don't want to overcharge. You certainly don't want to undercharge. Your time has to make sense for what you're doing. So it's going through and it's writing this out. It said, okay, it's tacked on another 0.5 hours. It's keeping track of that. So at the end of the month, hey, I'm going to go back. This is what was done recently. Okay. It's gone into the client's PM README, right? And it's also gone into the Obsidian hub, and it's updated my Obsidian project management hub with it done recently. Include this in the CPH CLAUDE.md as well. Make sure that we always add the recents to the proper CLAUDE.md project files moving forward. So now, because I saw something and it wasn't working out exactly how I wanted it to, I've now updated it, and it's going to be a little smarter every time, right? So here you go, Claude wrapped up. Boom. Now it's going to go into clients, Canadian Precision Homes. which is the client here, GSC Snapshot to the CLAUDE.md, and save the memory feedback, right? Make sure that this is always the case when we command to wrap up a project. Yeah, it's adding key insights. And now you can see this is before it added it to the general CLAUDE.md, and now it's adding it to that specific client CLAUDE.md. Anyways, this is not a crazy thing, but once you have your login and log out for each of your clients and it makes sense, it's easy to use, it's easy to utilize, it's going to make a lot of sense. All right. Thank you for coming to the channel. As you can see, it's all making sense. We believe heavily in making sure you don't spend more credits than you need, that you're working as efficiently as possible, because your time is so valuable, and anyone who needs your time is going to really appreciate it. That's what we believe here. Your time is valuable. You're going to work hard. Let's make sure you get paid for it. And as you can see here, we are working efficiently and properly across all of our projects. Everything's taken together. Anyways, if you stayed this far, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe. I love to see you. Comment on something that you think I would like to see, or if you want me to do a video on something, happy to check it out. But again, if you want this workflow, I will set it up. I will make a link for it, and I will send it directly to you. Anyways, if you stayed to the end, you're an absolute legend. Thank you so much, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.